Okay, thought I'd do a quick unboxing video here for the Wolverine boards. Packed very well. Okay. Packed super well actually. I'll just pause for a second. Okay, we'll keep going. There's a couple of different options here. EF3, EF3-4. I just changed the settings a little bit so you can see. That's the black, the matte black option. They really look fantastic. So the quality of these boards, just fantastic. You can see the traces there. So that's the green boards. Once again, you know, the quality, just beautiful. I mean, look at the attention to detail here. Just a work of art, really. There it is, the Wolverine. Okay, so here's the blue boards. Once again, excellent quality, or well packed. This is the 4 output pair version. So yeah, once again, very nice looking boards. You can really see the thickness of the tracks there. All the attention to detail. Anyway, credit to the design team. Let's go around this way. Take me half an hour to find the writing again, don't worry. There we go. Well done guys, the boards look excellent.